Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are discussing a very crucial concept in trading, and that is volumes. So have you ever wondered what these bars at the bottom of your stock chart mean? That's volume, and understanding it can seriously level up your trading game. In this video, we'll break down what volume is, why it matters, and how to use it to confirm trends or maybe spot any potential reversals. So whether you are a day trader, a swing trader, or a long haul investor, volume is a key piece of your puzzle. Just remember that. So without any further ado, let's get started. But before that, if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, make sure to like, share, and subscribe so that you do not miss out on any new updates coming from us. So what is volume? So in simple terms, as you can see, these bars over here, it is basically the total number of shares or the contracts, right, that are traded in a given period. So this period could be a day, it could be an hour, or even a minute. If I talk about one day, this bar represents the volume that has been traded in that particular day. Now, after knowing the different time frames and the volume associated with it, think of these volume bars as the activity level of a stock. So it means that higher volume bar over here means a lot of shares are changing hands. Basically, someone is buying, someone is selling. If you combine those two, that is volume. So a lot of shares are changing hands, indicating there is a strong interest of people for this particular stock at that given time frame. Low volume, like this one, it means that fewer shares are being traded and suggesting very less interest in this particular stock during that time frame. So let's take a daily time frame for our analysis here, right? This is what the volume was all about. Now, why is it important in our understanding? Because it provides very crucial information about the strength of that particular stock and the significance of those price movements. So just look at this. When there is a strong candle, let's consider this candle, right? You have a strong downward trend that you can look at, right? Just look at this trend over here. It's a strong downward trend and the volume justify it. As and when the volumes were higher, the stocks, basically the sellers were selling a lot at this given point of time. When the sellers were selling it in high quantity, the volumes of sellers were high, the stock tends to move downwards, right? You can see it in the candlestick over here. So high volume definitely gives us an idea of the trend that is going to take place. So in this case, what we can analyze is, with very high volume bars, there is a strong selling pressure over here, right? Suggesting a downturn is likely to continue. So conversely, when you have strong volumes of buyers, you can see a significant uptrend that is likely to continue. You have sudden high bar over here. It means this particular candlestick is continuing the upward trend over here. So high volume of buyers would definitely suggest the continuation of an upward trend. So continuing with this confirmation of an uptrend, so in a healthy uptrend, we want to see that the price is rising with increasingly high volume. This shows that the buyers are enthusiastic and they are driving the price higher. Pullbacks or any consolidation in an uptrend should occur on the lower volume, right? See, look at this. The candlestick is green over here. The volume candlestick is also green and it is at a very low volume. So it's consolidating. We can see it here as well. It is consolidating. And when the volume start decreasing, it's definitely suggests either the consolidation of that uptrend or it basically tells you about the pullback of this trend. Similarly, in the downward trend, as we looked at it, in the downward side of things, similar thing is supposed to happen. There is a very weak volume that would either suggest a little bit of consolidation over here, and then whenever the volume picks up, it is always a very strong candle. So basically the volumes tell you that if there is a continuation of a trend, if there is a consolidation of a trend, if there are any pullbacks that are there, right? So all these things can be suggested by looking at the volumes. So if there is any investor, be it a short-term investor or long-term investors, looking at the volumes in which people are trading becomes very, very crucial. So this was all about the volumes. For more such videos, stay tuned to Alice Blue.
Investments in securities markets are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.